Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can update apps on your Nothing phone. First of all, thank you to MySwoop for providing us with this phone today. So to look for updates for any apps, you go to your Play Store and then go to your account and click on Manage Apps and Device. And here you see that you have 30 updates pending. So you can click here on update them all, or you can choose to update them one by one, or you just update one specific app. If you go back, you can do the same here. You can update them all or click on see details, then you're back to the screen we were before. You might want to update apps because they're not working as they used to, or there's different stuff. And then if you update them, it will take a moment and then they're back. It will restart, not your phone, but the app. And then maybe there's just something in the background they've changed and you won't even notice it, or it's a new design. Whatever it is, you can update them here or look for updates if there's something available. Yeah. So that's how you update apps or look for updates of your apps. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!